Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics that matter: power, pairing, and the physical ear cup. Turn the headset on and watch the LED. If one side's dead, charge both for 5–10 minutes. Next, enter Bluetooth pairing mode and look for the device on your phone. You want a firm connection established. Finally, visually inspect the non-working ear cup for grime, loose mesh, or snapped clips. These immediate checks prevent wasted effort later and set up a clean troubleshooting path. Once done with hardware basics, move into software. You perform a factory reset to clear firmware glitches. Hold the power and volume buttons as required until LEDs flash, then release. Make sure to forget the headphone on your phone, reboot the phone, and repair. This forces the phone to renegotiate left/right audio channels. Also check the Beats or device firmware via the app and confirm phone audio balance is centered, because incorrect routing or old firmware commonly isolates one side. For final completion, you isolate the fault and decide on repair. Try a different phone, then connect via a 3.5 mm AUX cable. If the side works wired, the Bluetooth module or antenna is suspect. If comfortable, open the ear cup, check the ribbon cable and connector seating, reseat gently, and inspect solder joints for cracks. Once done, test playback with mono test tones. If the problem persists after these steps, contact official support or seek
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.